Hi, I'm Darren Bright, Sales Director at WNV Systems. We'd like to introduce a recent installation we've just completed for Stagecoach London, where we've managed to combine our 60-second bus wash and our automatic under-chassis wash in the same bay, giving much needed space back to the garages. Once the bus sees the green light, it drives over an induction loop which starts the wash and then lets the driver know that they can drive in. Once the bus pulls up to the first brush, it then moves around the contours for a great clean. And as you can see here, as the bus is pulling out, the back of the bus is then cleaned by the second brush, which completes the clean all round. Also, in the bay, we've got our automatic under-chassis wash system that will clean to a standard required for an MOT inspection, taking on average around about 30 minutes. This installation also recycles and cleans most of the water used. It's collected and then pumped into a filter system that removes larger impurities and then pumps the water through an activated carbon bed before being reused in the wash. If you'd like a free site survey or you'd like more information, feel free to give us a call or get in touch via our website.